Okay, this is the third test we're making today, and now we are going to illustrate some
Like,
important principles of organic chemistry. Now just do the down arrow. No, it does not work.
okay, you try to go from this box to the left side and try to go to the screen.
I am trying to go to my next slide.
And yeah, you if you go to the next no, when your slideshow and if you click it, it's not working. So just click on any of the slides. Click on any of the slides outside the box. Yeah, click that. Click
Yes.
that. Yeah.
Oh, so
So
that will be the way that we have to go.
yeah, that's the plan B, but I don't know, what really the issue is. At least we have a,
Yeah.
getaway.
Yeah. So let me see. That would be, I would have to pause my speech and click that in order to implement this. Where it's probably better
Yeah,
if
but
I could
try
just
try
put it
with
in the
arrow right
play
now. Try
mode.
with arrow right now. Try
I'm
with arrow right
oh now it's working.
now. So I think there was some kind of a thing at the first one. So I think it should.
I see that now that it is working properly on the down arrow or the up arrow. That's what I needed to do. Okay, so let's stop this now.